Hours after Home Secretary G.K. Pillai left from Srinagar, giving the state administration a clear-cut message from centre that the curfew has to be implemented strictly and those who are responsible for creating trouble are to be dealt with severely. Here you have yet another series of flag marches by Indian Army. Now essentially yesterday, Indian Army, after being deployed on the peripheries of Srinagar, conducted the first sequence of flag marches in several parts of Srinagar city and also in the interiors of city, that is the Srinagar's heart center Lal Chowk also saw the flag marches on part of army. Again, this exercise is being repeated today, specifically along the outer peripheries, that is the bypass areas of Pantha Chowk, Rawalpura, Old Airport Road. Now, what we do gather from our sources is that in detailed discussions with the State Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and also senior officials of various security, intelligence and even army, the Home Secretary has assessed the situation and communicated to them what the centre's stand is and how exactly the centre wants the engagement of army particularly, which as of now stands to be that of a deterrent only. But even as all this happens, very stringent curfew in place, there is an uneasy calm in Srinagar.